Hello, I'm Percy. We will learn about the electricity difference in the regions. As you know, there are two frequencies, namely 50 and 60 Hz. Now, you can hear the frequencies as the background music is off. Now, let's begin with these sounds. One in 50 Hz, and the other in 60 Hz. The electrical ground noise. The electrical humming noise. The electrical transformer noise. And the short circuit noise too. Into the category of electrical appliances. Here's the sound of electric motor. Refrigerators. Heat pumps. Microwaves. Washing machines. And degaussing sounds on monitor or a TV set. So, you know how the difference you heard in various regions. Like, comment, and subscribe now.